So there you have it, Outer Bridges Original Bermuda Fish Chowder using their really wonderful cherry pepper sauce. Delicious. The last thing we do is you can see it bubbling away in here.
Looks delicious.
Looks delicious. Gonna grab a nice chunk of this. There's the fish nicely cooked in it. Sauce looks great. So there's your fish chowder. Put some parsley on top for a little color. And the best thing about this recipe, I told you earlier, they use rum in it. And not only that, this is a very cheeky cookbook. There are some really funny stories in there. And therefore, I'm gonna follow their instructions. And even though Elvis Presley has nothing to do with this soup, or frankly, as far as I know, with Bermuda at all, they do say down the hatch.
Cheers.
Time to eat.